Starting an online business can feel exciting at first, but many people quit before they ever see real momentum. Maybe that's happening to you right now. You start learning something new. You start thinking maybe this could finally be the thing that helps you create more freedom in your life. But when results don't happen right away, it's easy to start wondering if something is wrong. You might start thinking you're too late, or maybe this is just another thing that won't work. But the truth is, what you're experiencing is actually a normal part of building something new. So today, I want to show you what the first 90 days of building an online business really looks like based on what I'm learning right now. Because once you understand the process, it becomes much easier to stay consistent long enough to see real momentum. Let me give you a little background so this makes sense. If we haven't met, I'm Lori, a married empty nester living in Missouri. I used to be a special education teacher, but I eventually had to resign because of a chronic illness. After that, I spent years trying different ways to earn money online that would be flexible enough to work with my health. Some of them were interesting and creative, but I was putting in a lot of effort without seeing the kind of results I had hoped for. Eventually, I realized something important. The problem wasn't that I wasn't working hard enough. The problem was that I didn't have a clear system to follow. I was trying a lot of different things, but nothing really connected together. I didn't have a simple path that showed me what to focus on each day or how the pieces were supposed to work together. And once I started learning a step-by-step system, things finally started to make a lot more sense. Most people who start looking for ways to earn money online aren't just chasing money. They're looking for something deeper. They're tired. They're feeling overwhelmed. They feel stretched financially. They wish they had more time with their family, and they want something that gives them more control over their life. The dream isn't just making money online. The dream is waking up with less stress, not living paycheck to paycheck, working a couple of focused hours a day instead of feeling trapped in constant busyness, having more time with the people you love, and building something that actually creates a legacy for your family. But here's the part most people don't talk about. That transformation doesn't happen overnight. It happens through stages, and understanding those stages can make a huge difference. The first 30 days are really about learning and building clarity. You're figuring things out. You're learning how to talk about what you're doing. You're getting more comfortable showing up online. And honestly, this stage can feel a little messy, but something important is happening. You're growing, you're learning, you're becoming more confident. And this is where things start to shift. You start feeling more comfortable speaking to people. Your message becomes clearer. People start recognizing you. You might see more comments, more engagement, more people paying attention. Momentum starts building. It may not feel dramatic yet, but it is compounding. This is where consistency really begins to pay off. People have seen you show up again and again. They start trusting you, and trust is what leads to real results. This is where things can begin to change in a meaningful way, but most people never reach this stage because they quit too early. One thing that has really encouraged me during this process is the community I'm a part of. Our digital growth community now has over 59,000 members, and I've honestly been amazed at how supportive everyone is. People share their wins. They encourage each other. They help each other keep going. And what's inspiring is seeing real people like you and me having real success online. One of my mentors is Wendy. She's had incredible success simply by showing up consistently on YouTube and following the same process. I want to show you a short clip of her sharing about the results she's experienced.
This January alone, I earned over $58,000 online. Now, not because I worked more hours and not because I had some special skill, but because I finally understood a simple formula for earning online that I wish somebody had explained to me years ago. And if even one of these pieces is missing, it will feel confusing and inconsistent no matter how hard you try.
And what this shows is that when someone sticks with the process long enough, transformation is possible. Building something new isn't always comfortable. You might feel doubt. You might compare yourself to someone who's further ahead. You might feel impatient. That's normal. Growth usually feels uncomfortable before it feels powerful. But the people who succeed usually aren't the most talented. They're the ones who stay consistent long enough for momentum to happen. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to keep improving. Every step helps you get clearer. Every step forward compounds. And eventually, consistency turns into momentum. If you're someone who wants to build income from home and create more time, peace, and freedom in your life, I put together a free blueprint that explains the process I'm learning and following. You can grab your copy below. And if you're in the early stages right now, just to remember something important. Stay in the process long enough for momentum to happen because consistency really does compound. If you're wondering how to make money online with no experience or degree, watch this next video where I explain exactly how beginners get started. I'll see you there.